Hey guys, welcome to the Nanoleaf channel. My name is Jess and today I'm going to show you how you can set the remote to control your HomeKit products. Before you begin, you will need two things, your Home Hub and your HomeKit products. I'm using the smart light bulb and the panels behind me. There are two ways that you can do this. One is using the Nanoleaf app, which controls all your lighting HomeKit products, and the Home app, which controls all of your other HomeKit products, including smart fans, curtains, blinds, etc. So let's get started using the Nanoleaf app. So I'm going to open the app here, and I'm going to create a group scene. I'm going to call this scene Good Morning. And so I'm going to click Manage, and I'm going to add the accessory or the HomeKit product that I would like to use in this group scene. So now that I've done that, I can also adjust the brightness, and I can also adjust which scene I want to play in this group scene. Perfect. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go to Remote at the bottom, and I'm going to assign my remote the scene that I've just created. So this is going to be for side number 1. Perfect. So now that that's done, I'm going to put it on side 1. And you should see a change in the panels and all of your HomeKit products that you've made at this group scene. Great. So now that that's done, we are going to use the Home app. So make sure you're in the room that you want to connect to your remote. Today I'm in Jimmy's office, and I'm going to click and hold the remote button and click Details. Now that I'm here, I can assign which side that I want my group scene to be in. So let's do number 2. And here you have other options as well. I can choose which HomeKit products that I want to use, and as well as the scene that I want to play with my panel. Okay, next. This is also an opportunity for me in this next part here that I can actually adjust the brightness, or I can turn off something. So by using side 2, I will be able to turn off the light bulb, and the mountains are going to see the same brightness, but they're going to change to the scene that I selected. Perfect. So now that I've pressed done, I'm going to switch it to side 2, and you should see the light bulb turned off and my scene changed. So that's how you use the two apps to control the remote for all of your HomeKit products. The app does control all of your other home smart No, it's okay. It's okay. Tongue twister. You know what? I have gum in my mouth. I've had gum in my mouth this whole time. Oh my god. Today I'm using the light bulb and the panel behind me. I'm used to it here, and I'm like, how do I? The tongue twisters and the little things, they totally screw me up. Other things I'm like, I can roll with it. And then other things I'm like, that sounded so dumb.